Welcome back. Just arrived at the camp. It's a little bit of a dreary day out there. Hopefully it'll get nicer later, but I have brought a whole load of dollar store goodies here to work on the camper and get things, well, put together in a little bit. Look at this. Silly little accents and touches and stuff to make it a little bit more like home. But basically, finally got some more bins. Things opened up here in Ontario where we're allowed to go to the stores and buy, quote, non-essential stuff. So dollar store was able to hook me up with all the kind of things that I wanted. And what I also got, Facebook Marketplace again. I'm always watching it just for stuff, and a whole box of DVDs free. They're just sitting at the end of their driveway. So just had to go pick them up. Pretty cool. I got a DVD player for the bedroom, a nice small one for $5 because check this out. The one that I have in here is the one from the main entertainment center, and it's too big. It hangs over, and that's a Sharpie for the shoulder, so no good. We'll get that in, get that set up, and yeah, we're coming together. I'm gonna build a ramp for Riggs today, I hope, that I can use to get him in and out. He's a 12-year-old old English sheepdog, so he has trouble with stairs. He's a big dog, so we'll help him out. Gotta look after him first, and yeah, all kinds of things. These moisture traps are great for the camper. They do really good at cutting down the humidity and making sure things don't start to smell or anything from being too damp. And yeah, power bars, night lights, allergy meds just in case you get bit by I have a mild allergy or medium allergy to bees, so if I get stung, I'll have that. And nifty, hoping that'll go right there, and that'll look pretty cool, I think. Yeah, coming together. And what I want is to get this panel figured out. What I'm thinking is I'm going to take this door off and make my own door. And I'm going to put the my readouts here for my electrical system. If there's enough backspacing. If there isn't enough backspacing, I'm going to have to come up with something to space it out. But I think this is the best place for them. And I'd like them right in the panel here where I can view them. So I might be able to just put them right here in the middle, and that'll be enough backspacing. If this remote doesn't have to be here either, so for the AC. So we'll figure that out. Got some outside lights to fix. Yeah. All kinds of things. This is gonna be good. I'll just take video throughout. This will be just kind of vloggy format, I think. Got a towel bar because tasty tidbit. Tea towels rust the stoves. Let's see rust starting there, so I'll solve that and I'll just make a nifty little towel bar. Cool, eh? Right on. Alrighty, so I got a nifty little thing from Amazon. I'll put the link down below. This is a wireless weather station with internal and outside measurements, moon phase, high and low recordings, kind of you name it. Trending on the baro pressure and all the good stuff. So this was under 40 bucks Canadian. My old one that I've had for years and years and years has gone a little bit bad. This lived inside my beer fridge for a while. And the display ended up dying. I thought it was the zebra strip. I've had this apart a couple of times and I recovered a couple of segments, but this is the best I could get it. The internal temp is still good. Outside, you can infer that that's 17.2, but that's that's the best it can do. It does have this tendency thing. I guess it's okay for forecasting, but this one should be a lot nicer and kind of matches the decor of the camper too. So for the price, it's a pretty impressive little unit. I saw them up to like $70 for the same unit, and I just scrolled around until I found one for much cheaper. So yeah, I think this will be great. We don't have much for network service here. It comes and goes. I've got a booster on the way, so they can maybe work here, but this will give us some other forecasting, so let's power it up. So it comes with this USB to 5-volt jack in the back, reset mode button high and low here, and that is not readable. What's the deal? How do we get the contrast up? Nope. Not a good start. Light. Ah, there we are. Wow, that viewing angle though. Oh my, that's bad. Anything. What? So you got to be above it. So if you're looking at it from below, forget it. If you're looking at it from the side, not bad. But you got to be kind of above it for this to work. But there we go. It's got some clouds on the screen, which is accurate. I'll have to set things up and set date and time, and then it probably will know the moon phase then. Indoor, outdoor temp, and yeah, we should be good to go. I'll come back a little later once I get this set up. All right, we got it all programmed, and I like it. Despite the viewing angle kind of issue, it's fine from above, and that display looks awesome. The backlight only stays on for 15 seconds unless it's powered up, and right now I don't have the 110 volt done on my inverter here in the trailer, so we're just running off battery. But once I hook up the inverter to run the 110, this will be bright all the time. So that's pretty cool. Moon phase and our history, and you can change the units for atmospheric pressure, but I really don't care what the actual pressure is. I only care about the trend and where we're headed, and this is actually fairly accurate already. It is sunny and cloudy, and we just came out of rain, so this surprisingly is pretty cool. I'm liking it already. I just got to put the sensor outside, and the sensor actually has a display on it too, which is kind of unnecessary in my mind, but whatever, so be it. It has one, and we'll use it. I like it. I like it a lot. I really like the color. It's pretty cool. So this will live right here on the kitchen table, I think, and that will be its home, and we'll always have a glance of what the weather's doing. Yeah, outside, my hummingbirds are, well, actually, yeah, they're there right now. Pretty cool. He's happy drinking away, and really howling wind, so not much for mosquitoes now. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep working on some lights, and I got a dollar store light here for this is for outside, but I'm gonna use it as a centerpiece, as a night light in the camper, because it is super dark here at night. There's no light, no ambient light, no nothing if there's no moon, and even if there is a moon, you can't see anything because the canopy's so thick. So it's really dark in here, so we'll do that as a little night light and let it charge by the window through the daytime, and that'll be cool. Right on. I'm really starting to like this place. It's a mess right now. I got a lot of stuff to do. Oh, drip trays, check this out. Here's a tasty tidbit. These $4 trays from Dollar Store are super tough and non-slip. Use these for like under chainsaws or under equipment in places that you don't want to get things dirty. They're just wonderful for that, and super rigid, and they seem to hold up to gas and oil just fine. I've been beating the heck out of the white ones that I have in my garage at home. For $4. It's a great tray for working on chainsaws and stuff to keep the bar oil from getting all over the ground and then stepping in it and tracking it all over. So, tasty tidbit. Super happy with how the camper's coming along. Time for another upgrade. This is the Oxygenics shower head system with shut-off valve. This is designed to give you tons of water pressure, but at the same time not use any decent, like not a lot of volume of water. Basically, this will stretch out your water tank to last significantly longer and use less water for a shower that still gets you clean. So this should work pretty good, better than the original. The original actually works just fine. I kind of like that. I kind of think somebody might have upgraded it. I'm not sure whether originally they come with this shut off, but it's really sticky. And yeah, pretty happy with how this is coming. And we'll see if this gives us what we're after here and makes us a little bit better of a shower. Everything here is coming along really well. I'm really happy with the build, and I'm in the middle of doing the video for the floor down there right now. And I got the LEDs in place, and overall, this is turning out to be something. I have a little bit of repairs to do up there in the corner. Still have some windows to clean, and still cleaning out stuff, and wildlife is coming to visit. Yeah, things are coming along great. I'm super happy with things. So this is the barbecue I use. I don't know whether I showed you guys this or not. This is kind of my storage area for cooking stuff, just so the raccoons don't get it. But this is pretty simple. Might go to a big stationary one someday, but for now I just set this up and throw it on the table, and away we go. On the menu today, Metzger's jalapeno and cheddar smoked sausage. Metzger Meats is a local company here, and just awesome stuff. Delicious. Temperature's coming up out there now. We're getting a little warm in here, but not bad. The humidity is really low today, so it's not bad at all. Lunchtime. Happy about this. This is what I get to come out to every morning here. It's just wonderful. Some breakfast on the go. I'm back at work today. Good coffee in the perk, and some hash browns and bacon. We'll add some eggs, and this will be a good little breakfast. Weather's looking good. Absolutely gorgeous day here. I was able to swing into town and grab some, well, it's trim clad, but we're going to use it to fix up Briggs's ramp, get it painted up. I built that last night with my good friend Mr. Ziegerman, and he gave me a hand. Took us just minutes to whip that thing up, so now Riggs can come up. That's our old English sheepdog, so he's 12, so he needs a ramp. And yeah, gonna clean some windows today, and I've got all this stuff out of the camper, cardboard to burn, power head on the vacuum I need to fix. I think that's probably why I retired that vacuum, but I didn't throw it away because I knew someday I'd have a camper. Check these out. These I got to put in my saw pack. For chainsaw use, these are a wound dressing, a proper battlefield wound dressing that I ordered from eBay. I got 2 of them. I think these are Israeli. Throw a comment down below if you know what that is. I can't remember what military they came from, but they were the best I could find. When if you have a chainsaw injury, it's going to be bad, and this will hopefully get me out of here and to the hospital. So this will go in my first aid kit. One here, I already put one in the camper, and the other one is in my hip pouch that I carry with me when I'm sawing. So pretty cool.